guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Hello. Welcome to Notary Educators. It's your girl, Coach Kimmi. Hello. Welcome. I am live. We're doing a little teaching, a little gifting. Hey, welcome. We are talking field inspection. Some of us are needing some extra income. I'm going to give you a little training about it, give you a little discount. Hey, welcome. How's it going? Talk a little bit about this notary space. See what's up. Hold on 1 second. Business, y'all. I'm sorry. 1 second. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. All right. How is everybody doing? Where are we checking in from today? Are we doing field inspections? Let's get that going while I'm texting. Are we doing field inspections? Yes or no? Are we doing field inspections? Are we? Are we doing field inspections? Yes or no? We're going to get right into it, y'all, because I got a session tonight. Welcome, everybody. Yes, I see some yes. Hey. All right, Lisa, what's up? You know, Denise call you that, Lisa. That's why I start calling you that. I always say it in my mind, Lisa, but she like, Lisa. Hey, June, what's going on? Lisa. Stephanie, what's up? Hey, Laura. June, what's going on with you? Stephanie says, not yet. Carla says she used to do it. And who is this? Hey, T2 Love. What's up? She's saying yes, 100. New to the chat. I don't know what field inspections are. Hey, Jurats, how are you? That's why I'm here today, guys. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to get right into it really quick. I'm Coach Kimmi. Yes, I've changed my name a little bit because I'm starting a new adventure and I might as well get used to saying it. Coach Kimmi. If you call me Kimmi, I'm going to still answer, okay? Or Kimberly or Kim or any of the above. But Coach Kimmi, going forward, started yesterday. Getting ready for my new venture. I'll talk about it a little bit later. Not really notary related, but I'll tell y'all about it because that's how I roll. So we're going to get right into it. So what is field inspections? What is it? Is it hard? Do you have to be a notary? All right, let's get into it. So field inspections. Hey, dispatching sister. What's up? Field inspections are not Coach with a K. Coach with a K, guys. Thank you, T2 Love, though. Appreciate it. Coach Kimmi with a K. K. All right. Yeah, my new business is called Creators Club with Kimmi. So you'll hear about it in the future. I've been talking about it. But anyway, I'm starting to really embrace everything. And I'm so excited to roll that out. But I'll tell you about it later or after this. Let's talk about what you came for today. So field inspections, though, you do not have to be a notary. Okay. Write this down. Many of you are looking for a side hustle. You're looking for something. I hate using the term side hustle. I'm going to tell y'all straight up. But that's what people want to hear. So that's what we're going to call it today. Okay. I do not like using the term side hustle. Why? Because if you call it a side hustle, you're going to treat it like that. I always compare it to like, go to KFC, give me a side of coleslaw. Give me a side of green beans. That ain't your main course. That ain't your main thing you wanted. It's just something you thought about after the fact. So that's why I don't like side hustle. It's a business. And even just doing field inspections can be a business. You cracking me up too, T2 Love. Even just doing field inspections can be a full business. Y'all know I have a mentorship program. I will tell you about that later, okay? And the course I'm getting ready to talk about is included in the mentorship program, but I'm going to also tell you about it buying it separately because you may not be ready for mentorship. I don't know, but I'm going to tell you about being a field inspector. But the reason I mentioned a mentorship, because there is someone in our mentorship, and the people here that are part of mentorship can attest to it. He's doing quite a few. He did 30 to 40, I believe it was. So you can make a career of doing field inspections. How many of you are making $100 a day? Okay, $100 a day, $3,000 per month, and you only working like an hour and a half a day. Field inspections do not take that long. Okay. They only take about 30 minutes. Where may you be called to go and do a field inspection? They may need you to go out to check a vehicle. What are you checking for on the vehicle? You may go out and check the VIN number. Okay. Maybe I did one time where someone had an insurance claim, and in order for the insurance company, for some reason, I don't know all the details on the behind the scenes, but in order for that person to get paid, they had to have the VIN number verified off site. Okay. They had the VIN number, had to get verified. So I was hired to take a picture of the VIN number and to actually compare the VIN number with what was on the document, notarize that document. Okay. So there are many, many reasons. Another time I was hired to go out, and I actually show this in the course in one of the videos I even have here on the channel about field inspection. I have been hired to go out, a company did work at a bank, and I had to go out to confirm that the light was actually working after the person did the work. So field inspection is just that. You're out in the field inspecting something. Your boots on the ground. Okay? Boots on the ground. I have one more tip I wanted to write. Hold on. So you do not have to be a notary to do this. Now, the reason you hear field inspections and notary is so linkly close in the same sentence a lot of times is because people trust us as notaries to go out and do the work. But when you're actually filling out the applications, they do not ask you, are you a notary? But it's just something that we as notaries know about, those of us that are in the game, because we get these notices and alerts. And a lot of times now they're even coming from signing companies. But again, you do not have to be. So in the course that I've created, of course, there's a course. Of course, there's a course of a course of a course. But I'm giving you some tips of it now. People are killing the game in field inspections in our mentorship. Okay, they are. We have several. So you might have saw a couple videos on here too, because I've been doing like snippets from our mentorship program. Another person said their phone was going off so much that they had to cut the alerts off. Okay. So they had to cut them off. Somebody is saying true. So T2 Love is saying, I'm ready. I've been following Kimmi for a while. LOL. No worries. A lot of you have been following me for years. I appreciate it. I thank you. That means I'm trustworthy. So I appreciate you. I know one day, whenever you're ready, whatever that looks like, you will be a part of Notary Educators doing your thing in this notary space if you need us. If not, we'll rock together right here on YouTube. It is no problem. Hey, Carla. Yes, Carla. I think she's saying yes. Jasmine M, what's up? What's up? So typically, field inspection jobs will pay $25 plus. But I like to teach you to always negotiate, always counter offer. So that's how most of my people are making $50 per job. So if you're not making $50 in 30 minutes, you need to be doing a field inspection training. Okay. You need to be in my field inspection program. All right. Either the self-paced or part of the mentorship, because people are making this money that we're talking about. It's not just pipe dreams. And again, in this economy that we're talking about, and this is not to put fear in you, but I've been preaching for about 2 or 3 weeks now. I want you to own something. Okay. I want you to own your own business. If it's not notary, have a field inspection business. You do nothing but field inspections. It's an excellent way to get started, to get the money you need to be a loan signing agent. Okay. Because it's quick money. And they pay quicker than they do. June is saying, yeah, because she's in mentorship. Yeah, they pay, inspections pay quicker than it does as regular notary work. Most notary work is like 30 to 90 days to get paid. Field inspection typically pays within a month, 30 days. So you still want to always have a running tally of them, like in your pipeline. Rather, you want to have a pipeline, like, okay, I did one today, one tomorrow, and when those checks start hitting, imagine going to your mailbox every day, you got a check for $50. Come on. So you got $50 times 30 days. How much money is that if you only do one? That's if you do one. Now, some people prefer to do Uber, Lyft, all this stuff like that, going to the grocery store. What is that? Instacart. And I appreciate those services because I use them myself. But when it comes to me making money, I'm getting older. Your girl want to do what's easy, that's going to be quick money. Okay. That's why I like general notary work. So I'm going to give you one more tip, and I'm going to tell you what I'm offering for you all today. Okay. June said they usually pay 15 to 30. Yes, but you got to learn to counter, June. You know, we talk about that a lot. And they may not accept your counter offer. Let's just be clear. They may not accept your counter offer.